I'm in New York this week. Very fortunate to be staying with a friend that has this lovely rooftop, a deck. Nice to get away from the hustle and bustle of the city and just kind of be by yourself and take in the construction noises coming from every single direction. Ooh, there's some sirens too. I'm about to take off for Philly, and I'm going to be tonight performing at the Helium Comedy Club. I do very few comedy clubs on this tour, but Helium Comedy Clubs are some of my favorites. Been going there for a while. Best in the biz. Friday night, I will be at the Psychedelic Assembly, the Psychedelic Library and Social Space, and that's a 6:30 show on Friday, and really looking forward to that. And then Sunday, I'm going to be in Brooklyn. Haven't done Brooklyn on this tour as I'm gearing up for the special taping in October. Littlefield. I haven't been there before, but I reached out to a whole bunch of New York comic friends and asked where would be the best fit for my show. And many people mentioned Littlefield, and so I can't wait for that on Sunday. Go to shanemoss.com to see all my tours before the special taping in October.